At first make a slip knot. Then make chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Now work for round 1. Make 1 chain and make 12 single crochet in the center of the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now slip stitch in the very first single crochet. Now work for round 2. Make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. So now make the puff stitch. So yarn over and insert the hook in the same stitch. Pull the yarn 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Again pull the yarn 3 times in the next stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Now pull through all the loops. Now make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Slip stitch in the next stitch to close it. This is the first petal. Now make the second one. Again make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over, pull the yarn in the same stitch. So make 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Again pull the yarn 3 times in the next stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Now pull through all the loops. Make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Now slip stitch in the next stitch to close it. This is the second one. Now make the third one. So the pattern is make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over, pull through the yarn 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Then pull the yarn in the next stitch. Make 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. So pull through all the yarn on all the loops. Now make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Then slip stitch in the next stitch to close it. So this is the third one. So continue all around up to end. Now slip stitch in the very first stitch. Now give a knot and cut the extra yarn. Insert the yarn with the needle to secure it. So this is the puff flower. Thanks for watching.